Oh, whoa. Lana, time out. Sit over here. Think about your actions. Did you know that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction? So if you make a bigger action, you're going to get a bigger reaction. Do you want to find out? Mm-hmm. Then let's go do a bigger rocket.
Now's the fun part, guys. I get to make new rockets with my dad. First, you need a red cardboard and a wooden stick. Put it on the edge of the red cardboard and roll it. Then get some sticky tape and stick it on top of the red cardboard. Next, take the wood out of the red cardboard. Then, get your bottle and tip that upside down and get the red cardboard and put it next to the bottle. Now I'm going to get my dad to help me sticky tape it together. Next, get the bottle up and take off the lid. And get a grown-up to help you put 600 ml of vinegar. Next, pour in some red food coloring. You can use whatever color you want. I'm using pretty red. Next, get a tissue and put it on a scale. Then turn the scale on. Then get some baking soda. And put 8 spoons in a straight line. Then fold 1/2 on top. And pinch the 2 sides and shake it a little bit. Then get the tissue down and fold the other half. Then fold the 2 sides bit. Then fold the other one. Then roll it like a sushi roll. Then get some sticky tape. Now cut a piece of string the same size as your bottle. Then get your tissue roll and put it on top of the string and make one strand longer than the other and tie it around the tissue. Now take everything outside with you. Take your bottle rocket and this thing that looks like a tea bag and your wooden stick and your rubber stopper. Now watch me launch my rocket!
Okay, stop. Don't let it go into the water. Hold it there.
Before we only had one tea bag, but now we have two. I wonder what will happen. Let's find out. See it fizz? That's why they call it physics. Oh my God, did you see that? How cool is my rocket? You can do this too. Did you see my rocket fizz? That is gas. The gas pushes the water out and the rocket goes up. This is the action force and this is the reaction force. This is Newton's third law. The thrust is bigger than the weight's force. I hope you liked my experiment. Please subscribe and give me a bunch of thumbs up. Love, Lana Banana Science! I can't.
Open. Run away. Film me, could take a minute.
Come and sit. Oh my God, what's gonna happen?